So guys, now we'll move over to voiceover. So to achieve that pigmentation of your eyeshadow, you should prime your eyelid. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal the shade Fawn to prime my eyelid, and I do this too to cancel the discoloration in my eyes. You know, sometimes my eyes is discolored from the other side of my face, so I usually prime my eyes first so that I'll hide those dark this thing, and also so that my eyeshadow will pop. So I blend it out with my middle finger. Then I set my brow, my eye with my setting powder so that the blending will be much easier. So for an eyeshadow application, you need a blending brush. It's very important, and you shouldn't hold it close to the bristle because it won't blend out well. It should be less in control of it. It should be fast so that the blending will be smooth. And for your first transition color, you should always use a matte eyeshadow, and it should be orangey, those natural shade that will match perfectly with your skin tone. And for your second transition color, it should be a deeper color so that it will open up your eye area. So I tap it, I apply using a dabbing motion. I tap, and I focus it in the outer corner of my eyes, on the outer corner of my crease area, so that it will open up my eyes. So after I applied this, I go in with that first transition color to blend everything in. Since I don't want any harsh lines, I take my time in blending. Guys, eyeshadow application, it's blending. So you blend until you are satisfied with the look. Then you now apply, you might apply a shimmer in your lid area. That's a general universal color, is flattering to all skin type. So you use that one and apply in your eyelid, and you apply using a dabbing motion so that you have maximum pigmentation, so that the eyeshadow will pop. If you don't have shimmer stuff, you can actually use brighter color for your outer crease. So I went back in with that second transition shade so that I'll blend everything will seem seamless, so that there will be no demarcation. It will look like the first color flowed into the second color, so there will be no harsh lines. So I went back to that first shade that we used before to blend everything in. You know, this side of my eye, it was looking as if it was hanging, so I have to blend it in. You blend until you are satisfied with the whole look. So for liner application, you should use a tip that is very sharp. Then you draw a very thin line where your eyes join, your upper eye join your lower eye. You draw a thin line, I'll stretch it, then you draw it down to the middle of your eyes. You build it up until the level you want. Then you draw the slim line in your inner eye area, and it should be a liquid liner so that you have more control of it. So for my waterline, I wanted going in with this white shade, this white pencil. So that's your waterline. You can use a black one if you like, but I wanted trying a white one today. So for my to apply eyeshadow under my eyes, I use a smaller brush for this, and I just apply it after my waterline. So after that, I know as a beginner it's always very difficult to apply mascara on your under eye without staining it. I was showing you this step that you can use. Then you apply it, you let it dry before you remove it so it will not stain your under eye. It does help, guys. So I'm tight lining my eyes, my upper eye, so that there was that shadow that I applied, it was still popping, so I had to tight line. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Hope it was helpful. Share your thoughts on the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. Until the next video. Bye loves.